This is an extremely effective hybrid technique that combines a pec fly with oblique rotation and an incline press. You'll start by doing an upwards fly motion with a low set cable, but as you reach the midpoint, you'll rotate your body away from the cable, which will change the resistance angle and allow you to merge the fly motion directly into an incline press. Then you'll reverse that exact motion on the way back down. The initial fly portion is an isolation move that allows you to emphasize the inner region of the pec fibers via region-specific hypertrophy. Then the unilateral pull of the cable, combined with the rotation of your torso, engages the internal and external obliques. And the new resistance angle allows you to finish with a powerful incline press engaging the rest of the pecs along with your triceps and front deltoid. And this same exact hybrid technique can be used in both a decline and middle press position to target the lower and middle chest respectively. This technique is also a great example of why you should always include one-sided exercises in your routines. Not only does it allow you to do exercises like this, where you can change up the resistance angles in the middle of the lift and force your core to work harder, but scientific research has proven that incorporating unilateral exercises increases both muscular hypertrophy and 1 rep maximum strength significantly faster than when using only bilateral exercises, which is in turn another example for why variety is key for successful weightlifting. For the greatest variety of science-based lifts, including hundreds of unilateral exercises across every muscle group in the body, check out the brand new Dr. Gains All Access membership, which gives you unlimited access to all my premium content, including over 1,000 different exercises, many of which I developed myself, along with all my anatomy breakdowns, theory, techniques, mobility training, and much more, all of which you get for the insanely low price of less than $10 a month, making it by far the best value in the industry. And you can check out all the details and see everything that's included via a link that I'll put in the video description below. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to Fitness Tip Friday, my free weekly newsletter that is always short, significant, and science-based, featuring an immediately actionable fitness tip along with inspirational quotes and deals of the week that are exclusively offered to Fitness Tip Friday subscribers. Finally, you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Michael_Khumalo, where I'm now posting at least one new exercise every week, which are not posted on my YouTube channel. And if you like this video, please let me know by hitting that like button, letting me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I will always respond to at least the first 10 questions that are posted there. And be sure you're subscribed and have turned on those post notifications because I have a mind-blowing lineup of videos coming over the next several months that you are not going to want to miss. Mahalo, my friends. Until next time.